All right, first graders, our objective is I can organize a paragraph to respond to a prompt. So you're going to get a prompt, which is a question that you're going to plan for it and write a 5-sentence paragraph. Our goal is to work on our organization. Okay, so we want to score more points on our writing. So we're going to work on organizing our paragraph. We'll do it together today. We are going to be reflective. We find ways to be better. So I want you to stop and think about what kinds of writing you do on your own. Think about the sentences you write. Think about the writing we did with Wimberly Worried. Think about what we have, what structures we have in place for our organization. We're going to be using those today, and we're going to improve our writing and make sure that we've checked our work carefully to make it very organized. All right, our self-management skills that we're going to be working on is keeping your things and yourself organized. So right now we're going to focus on keeping our writing organized. Organization really helps us to better learn and to better be understood as we express ourselves through communicating and writing. Our central idea is the way that people work together, the way that people work together impacts their community. All right, that's our central idea. We're going to be working on how the parts of a paragraph work together and how that can really impact your writing and your communication to others. You'll also notice that there's a community in our story today, a very unique community that we haven't talked about before. And we'll see how those characters work together in the text as well. Our lines of inquiry, how different parts work together of a paragraph today, and how a community is unique, especially in the story, this fiction fake story we're going to read today. All right, the parts of a paragraph. The form of our paragraph is a topic sentence, tells the reader what the writing is all about. First big idea, next big idea, last big idea, and our closing sentence. All right, our prompt. I told you I'd get a prompt to you today. Our prompt is, after listening to the story Rainbow Fish, tell about 3 things that happened in the story. Be sure to write them in the correct order. Our organization is very important today. Before I start the story, I want you to get out the supplies you need. You need your writing journals. Open up your writing journals and we will begin taking notes together. After you get out your supplies, a pencil, and your writing journal, click on the arrow for your next video to hear our story for today.